Good morning, students. In today's class, we will learn how to open Visual Basic software, how to add the objects or the components from toolbox to the form, how we can run the program, and how we can write the code of the particular objects. Now, the first step, how to start the Visual Basic. See this, click on the start, go to the all programs, go to the Microsoft Visual Studio 6.0. See, this software you have to install explicitly in your computer, then only it will be in the all programs. It is not installed by default, so you have to install this software. Click on the Microsoft Visual Studio and click on the Microsoft Visual Basic 6.0. This is the first window of Visual Basic. Now click on the standard exe, already it is selected, click on open button. Now this is the first screen of Visual Basic IDE environment, integrated development environment, where the things are already created, means the toolbox is already here. See, this number of tools are there. On the top, menu bar is there. Just after that, toolbar is there, where the start, break and end option is there. Then you have the form. Then you have the project explorer. Here, project explorer, how many forms you are creating in your project, that will be in this window. Then after, the property window is there. The property window will show you the property of the selected object, as the form is selected now. So see this form 1, the name of form is form 1. So form 1 properties are there, and this is the form layout window. Now as per your requirement, you can increase or decrease the size of the form. As I am increasing the size, see this, just click and drag the form. Now how to add the component from toolbox to your form. Just click on the particular command or particular object which you want to add. As for example, I am clicking on label. See, label is the object which is used to display the information only. So when it is clicked, see, property window is automatically open. Property window is automatically open for that. Caption 1 is written. Here I am writing my particular information which I want to show to the user. So I am writing, write your name. Now when I click on the outside of the form, automatically write your name will be there. Click on that. You can change the foreground and background color of that. If you want to change it, go to the pattern and select the particular. See this output. Write your name is in now red color. Go for font if you want to change the font. Then you can select as per your requirement, particular font you can select it. Suppose if I selected this one, see this, you can change as per your requirement. Write your name. Got it? Then after, go for text box. Text box is an component which is used to take the value from the user. So when you drag it on the form, automatically text 1 will be written there. Go to the property. The property name is text. Here text 1 is written. Now decrease it. Just remove the text 1 and click on that. Now text box is blank. That means there is nothing written. After that, you can go for the command button. Command button is used for as submit button. You have already used in HTML. The same is command. Now for the command, I am changing submit. So submit is there. Now if I am going for the another property of this, mask color, this is the caption which you have changed. Background color, this is the background color. If you want to change the background color, you can go for this background color. Then after, we have one property through this, the value will be disabled. The value is disabled. Now the value will be enabled when you have go for style and click on standard. Now when the standard have been click, automatically see the color, the background color is there. Now how we can run it? For running it, there is a start button in toolbar, or you can use F5 button from your keyboard. Now when you click on the F5 button, see, this is the run view. This is the program run view where the program is running, the executing. Now if I am clicking on the submit button, nothing is going there because I haven't written any code of that. Now again we have go for this. If I want to check that the particular box is empty or not, that means user is writing the value or not, so I have to go for double click on this. When you double click on the command, see this command 1 underscore click. Actually the button name is command 1. So if I want to check the particular text box is empty or not, for that I have to write the code. I will explain the code in the further classes, because there is conditional form is there. If text1 dot text, that means if there is any text in the text box equal to blank, then if text box 1 dot text equal to blank, then MSG box you cannot left blank this box, and now you have to run it. If you click it without giving any value in this box, see, you cannot left blank in this box. That means when you click on this button, then see this command 1 underscore click will execute, and automatically it will check that is there value in the text 1 or not. If there is nothing, then the message box, because condition is true, then message box will generate the output. And if you want to show the value which is there in the text box, that means this will be else. Means if command is fail, that means there is value in this text box, then what will happen? Message box text1 dot text. Now if I click on this, then you cannot left blank this box. I am writing the particular value. Submit. See this. Are you getting my point? The particular value which is inside the box is showing you. Okay. So this is the simple program for that. In the same way, if you want to add some list box or combo box, then also you have options there. Command, see this list box, go for the list box, combo box. You know the difference between list box and combo box. See, as you are being list box is taking so much space on the particular form, because all the values will be will be shown when you execute the program. That means all the value will be visible at a time, but in combo box only one value will be visible at a time. When you click on this option, when you click on this button,